The French EBRC Jaguar, which weighs 12-15 tons and has more than 7 meters of sugar, is actually very flexible. He uses a truck chassis, a front and rear wheel layout, and a rear axle that can turn. The radius is small and it can run in urban alleys and rotten roads in the wild. Power is also enough. 500 horsepower diesel engine. High speed can run 90 kilometers per hour. Full fuel can run 800 kilometers. Tax involved more than 1 meter. Climbing steep slopes is no problem. Weapons are really powerful. A 40mm cannon can fire 200 rounds per minute. There are 2 anti-tank missiles on the roof, which can be automatically chased when locked at a distance of 4 kilometers. In addition, there is a machine gun for self-defense. 14 smoke bombs can't be hit but can throw smoke. Running protection is also reliable. The body can withstand 14.5mm armor-piercing bullets, and the underside of the car can protect against 10 kilos mines, as well as anti-biochemical and biochemical.